A BPF file stores image processing filter presets, saved enhancement settings ready to be applied across your photography workflow. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load or troubleshoot these photo filter preset files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the BPF format. Details below. BPF files are filter preset files, storing image processing parameters for photography enhancement software. They contain color correction curves, exposure adjustments, saturation settings, and creative filter configurations that can be applied to photographs for consistent editing styles. BPF filter files use a structured format storing parameter values for image processing operations, including tone curves, white balance adjustments, HSL channel modifications, and effect intensity levels. They enable batch application of consistent editing styles across photo collections. The standard opener for BPF is known to be Adobe Photoshop, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows shows only basic file properties, so the host tool must manage plugin functions. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your BPF file and choose Open With. Test with Adobe Photoshop first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If the BPF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, loading the filter. Open your photography editing application and navigate to the Filter or Preset Import dialog. Browse to the BPF file and import it into the application's preset library. The filter will appear in your available presets list ready for application to your photographs. Next, applying to photos. Select a photo in your editing application and choose the imported BPF filter from the Presets panel. The filter parameters will be applied to your image. Adjust intensity or individual parameters to fine-tune the effect for each specific photograph. Finally, creating custom filters. Adjust image editing parameters to create your desired look, then use the application's Export or Save Preset feature to generate a new BPF file. Share your custom BPF filters with other photographers for consistent style application across collaborative projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.